Alright, welcome. My name is Kelvin Oles. Today I'm going to do an awesome video, a very simple tutorial on how to create a very simplistic yet modern flyer. Yes, so basically I do my 1080 by 1080 and 72 pixels, where 72 because one, it saves me storage, two, it's good for web. It makes it easier to be shared and stuff and not lose any quality. Yes, so basically the font I'll use is called Brooch, and we are doing a Sunday service flyer. So basically you write Sunday and then duplicate it, write service, service, decrease the space in between small, blur the background because I don't like how ragged it is, so I'll give it like 16 or something. This works. So beautiful. Alright, we move. Basically I'm adding a solid color because sometimes when you blur stuff you begin to lose the color. It becomes more lighter, and to avoid that you just a similar color beneath, so that you don't lose the quality of the picture or the background. Imagine the church logo. Alright, okay, trying the left align to see whether it will work, or the center. So let me do the center for now and see how far we will get. Add my text. At the time 9 AM sharp. And then basically I'll change the font. I'll be using Monument Extended, which I know you also love it. I really like it as well. Use the regular. We do the size a little. Follow the way. I like it way so beautiful. New Moses Retreat Center. So now what I will do is that I'll be adding the time symbol and stuff from here. So basically on the normal, what I'll use is I'll be using guides so that everything will become more easier. But today I decided not to use guides and see how far I'll get with this design. Using guides actually helps you a lot. It saves you a ton. But without me not even using the guides, I'm actually using the smart guides, where like when you are trying to position something, it automatically helps you align things and stuff. I think you see how, if you know, you know. Funny but true. Basically I've seen that the center align is not working. So what I'll do is that I'll do it all left align. So basically I'll make sure that whatever thing I use here, I'll put it in the description. So if you like it, you are interested, you can also check it out. It will be on my Google Drive. So basically I'll be adding the fonts, the backgrounds, the icons if possible, and then the brush I'll be using. I'll add that one as well. I don't know whether I should be sharing. Okay, Don't worry about it. I'll put it all in one link. So this is a Memphis brush I got on, I think, Freeject. Yeah, I'm going to use it just to compensate this design because it's looking empty to me. Yeah, I'll do it pure white. The reason why it's not coming is because the flow is at 71. So when I change the flow, the color will come so bright. Yeah, that's what's up. I think this is it. This works for me actually. Yeah. Yeah, I think we are done. God bless you so much for watching. My name has been Kelvin. This is a very simple, yet I think if you follow, you can use it to create like greater works and stuff. Yeah, so let me see what you do, and then I'll see you around. Bless up.